5 deadly cactus care mistakes and how to fix them. Are your cacti dying and you don't know why? You're not alone. Many beginners unknowingly make the same mistakes that can kill their plants. Today, we're exposing the top 5 most common cactus care mistakes and how to avoid them. Stay till the end to make sure your cactus thrives for years. Mistake number 1. Repotting at the wrong time. Common scenario. You buy a cactus in autumn, winter, or early spring. It comes with a basic pot and soil, so you immediately repot it into something nicer. Why it's a mistake? Cacti enter dormancy from October to February due to low light and shorter days. If you repot during this time, the roots won't establish properly, leading to rot and plant death. Then what to do instead? Repot in late spring or summer, when the plant is actively growing. If you must repot in winter, wait until spring to water. This prevents root rot. Mistake number 2. Using an oversized pot. Common scenario. You think, a bigger pot gives the roots more space to grow, right? Wrong. Why it's a mistake? A large pot holds too much moisture, causing the roots to rot before they can grow. Then what to do instead? Choose a pot only 10 to 15% larger than the previous one. Focus on the plant's beauty, not the size of the pot. Mistake number 3. Using the wrong soil. Common scenario. You grab regular garden soil or peat-based mix because it's easily available. Why it's a mistake? It retains too much water, suffocating the roots. It often contains pests, fungi, or an incorrect pH level. What to do instead? Use a well-draining cactus mix, sand, perlite, and grit. Always sterilize your soil before using it to kill bacteria and pests. Mistake number 4. Overwatering common scenario. You think your cactus needs regular watering like other houseplants. Why it's a mistake? Cacti store water in their stems. Frequent watering drowns the roots, causing rot within weeks. What to do instead? Water only once a month, or even less in winter. Adjust based on the season. More in summer, little to none in winter. Not sure what cactus you have? Post a photo in a plant group online. Someone will help you. Mistake. Yoncha 5. Too much direct sun and heat. Common scenario. You place your cactus in direct midday sun thinking, it's from the desert, so it must love it. Why it's a mistake? Most cacti grow in the shade of rocks or other plants in nature. Direct exposure to intense midday sun overheats the pot and roots, causing stress. What to do instead? Place your cactus in bright, indirect light or morning sun. Keep temperatures between 15 to 30 degrees Celsius, 59 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, for healthy growth. Now that you know these common mistakes, your cactus is set up for success. Which mistake have you made before? Comment below. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more plant care tips. See you in the next video.